What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. JP here from Dynamic AI Tech. So the purpose of this channel is to find free or highly discounted AI generation programs because my goodness, things are getting so expensive right now. So today I want to talk a little bit about this program Veed that you see on the screen here. Now I found Veed a couple of months ago and I was blown away by its capabilities. It's kind of an all-in-one, all-inclusive platform. And what I love about it is that you can use it for free, right? But if you upgrade, it does allow you to do a lot more in the program. But I've used it for free. I've created shorts, I've created videos, and I think it works great. But let's run through it to see the functions that this program offers, all right? So if you go over here, so it says create new project. Oh, just a side note here. This platform, it's very underwhelming and very unexciting, right? If you look at this, it's just a lot of, there's just no color to this. It's just not a very pretty platform. But don't let this underwhelming, unexciting interface fool you. It is a mogul in the industry right now. And many creators are using this as their only creation platform. And let's kind of go through it now. So you create new projects, you can record video with your webcam. It has a screen recorder, and then you can create slides. You can create an avatar of yourself, clone your voice and your face. Like Opus Clips, you can cut up a long form video to create shorts for you to post on your social media accounts. AI dubbing, you can translate your videos into any language you want, and this is going to be huge. And then there's AI text to video, create videos from your text. Very cool. So it has a generative feature, which I love about this. So let's just come over here to templates. So you can choose one of these templates, which I have not done yet, but it looks like you have so many different options here. You can spend hours on this program. So this is brand kits. If you have a brand, if you already have logos and things like that, you can upload your assets here. Let's come back up to home and create new project. And then you can make a video, upload videos. You can start by recording your videos. Let's press that. I'll show you what this does. And you can record with your camera. You can record just audio, screen and camera, slides and camera, and slides. And then you could also start with AI. And then this is make me a video about whatever, okay? And you can generate a video here, but let's say surfing for beginners. Let's go ahead and generate a video for surfers.
1 hour later.
Okay, so it created, let's see here, a 40-second full video using stock video. Let's check this video out.
Surfing is all about finding your balance and connecting with the ocean. Start by choosing the right board. A longer, wider board is perfect for beginners because it offers more stability. When you paddle out, keep your head up and look forward, not down. As you catch a wave, position yourself in the center of the board and pop up quickly.
Okay, so you get it. That is awesome. Within a couple of minutes, it created an entire video using stock video and added the captions and it added the music. That is cool. And guess what? I'm using the free version, so and I can export this. Okay, so let's press download, MP4, and it worked. It downloaded 720p, it downloaded the MP4. Cool, nice. So that is that. Guys, this is free. This is the freemium version. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, so that was create new project, record a video, which I showed you before, camera, audio, screen, slides, whatever. We did that already. Let's go over here, create an avatar. This, you'll definitely have to upgrade. This is a cool feature that I think everyone's gonna be using in the future. Sorry to say that, but it's just so much easier just to kind of have a script. Just plug in your script and then it just does the video for you. All right, but anyway, you gotta upgrade. And what does this cost to upgrade to do the, okay, it's $39 per month to do the avatar, plus everything else, all the other features that Veed.io offers. So create clips. Again, what I had mentioned before is this will cut down a long form video and chop it up into usable shorts or reels that you can post on your social media accounts. AI dubbing, beta. Okay, I ran out of trial minutes. All right, so I'm going to have to upgrade, which I'm going to do very shortly because I do want to dub my videos into different languages. And that will open up a whole other income stream once I start creating those videos. Okay, so cool. And then AI text to video, and this is the generative. All right, here's generative business. So let's just try this. Grab your topic. Let's go new software training. All right, and you can enter in your own prompts here. I'm just using Veed's suggested prompts. So let's generate this video on, I don't know if I want to do on social media, viral TikTok videos. Yes, we're going to do a generative video on viral TikTok videos. And I think this is only going to be a few seconds long. But let's check this out, guys. This is all text to video. All right, now I have to choose, oh, look at this. So Avery, I'm gonna choose someone here. This is awesome. So I think this is gonna be a full short, like a 40 to 60 second video, everyone. So avatar, let's use these subtitles, this design, and let's go continue. All right, it is creating the script for me right now. Guys, this is pretty unbelievable, right? Talk about AI for dummies. This does everything for you. Okay, rewrite. No, I like that. Let's continue. I like the script. So you can choose the tone also, which I did not do.
One eternity later.
99%. The video finished generating, and it looks like it's a 60-second short. Check this out.
Ever wondered what makes a TikTok video go viral? It's all about the hook. Grab attention in the first 3 seconds with something eye-catching. Next, think trends. Whether it's a catchy dance, a popular challenge, or a relatable skit, jumping on trends can skyrocket your views.
Yeah, so I'm not going to spend too much time on this. That's awesome, guys. So this created a short for me within a couple of minutes with the background music, with the captions or the subtitles here, with the avatar, the AI avatar, and the stock videos. So I am impressed. I'm going to export this video, standard quality. I think to do high definition, yeah, you need to upgrade. If you're going to do HD or 4K, you're going to have to upgrade. I'm sure it's going to let me download it. Again, the advantage of upgrading is that it's going to be in better quality. The resolution is going to be better. But if you're just starting out and you want to test the waters, just try it out for free. Cha-ching, and it's done, and it's done. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. So again, try it out for free. If you're serious about generating a lot of good quality content, I would go ahead and upgrade. Try it out for a month, a couple of months, and see how it works for you. All right, anyway, so thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already done so, if you could please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and the notification bell. I would really appreciate that. And thank you all so much. I will see you all on the next video. JP out.